Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. We are diving straight into something super practical today, exactly how to check your JCPenney gift card balance online. JCPenney gift cards are incredibly popular for everything from fashion to home goods, and knowing exactly how much purchasing power you have before you hit the checkout is an absolute must.
Picture this. You're shopping. You find the absolute perfect item, but then you pause. Wait, does my gift card actually have enough on it to cover this? We've all been there, and there is literally nothing worse than that hesitation at the register. So, let's make sure you're shopping totally worry-free by showing you how to check that balance swiftly and easily.
All right, here is our quick roadmap for today. We're going to cover preparing for the check, navigating the website, entering your details, troubleshooting, some next-level tips, and finally, a quick summary and disclaimers.
Section 1. Prepare for the check, or gathering your information. Let's get right into it.
Okay, so before you even open a web browser, you need to have your info ready. Depending on the kind of card you have, that info is going to live in a couple different places. If you have a physical plastic card, just flip it over. You'll see a 16 to 19-digit number printed right on the back, along with a 4 to 8-digit PIN hidden safely under a silver scratch-off coating. Just carefully scratch that off. Seriously, don't peel it. Now, if you've got a digital e-gift card, both your card number and your PIN will be sitting right there in your delivery email.
And speaking of those digital e-gift cards, here is a quick pro tip. If you're frantically searching your inbox for those details, look for the name CashStar. CashStar is basically the secure platform that actually powers the digital delivery for JCPenney. So if you can't find your card, doing a quick search in your email or your spam folder for CashStar is usually the fastest way to track down that crucial number and PIN.
Section 2. Navigating the website. Getting to the actual balance checker.
So, how do we actually find this thing? It's super easy. First, just head over to the official homepage at jcpenney.com. Scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the page and look for the Account and Customer Service section. In there, you'll see a dedicated gift cards link. Click that and follow it to the Check Balance portal. Honestly though, if you want the absolute fastest route, just type jcpenney.com/cart/gift card directly into your browser bar. Boom, you're there.
Moving on to Section 3, entering details and doing it safely.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is it safe to just punch my financial data into this page? You can rest easy here. The JCPenney portal uses state-of-the-art SSL technology, that's Secure Sockets Layer, and it is completely PCI compliant. In plain English, it means your 16 to 19-digit numbers and PINs are totally encrypted the second you type them. You just enter the number, type in the PIN without any spaces, maybe complete a quick captcha if it asks to prove you're not a robot, and hit Check Balance, knowing your data is locked down.
Section 4. Troubleshooting, or what to do when you get a balance error.
Okay, but what if you click check in, the number on the screen isn't what you expected? Let's look at a few common hiccups. Say you have a brand new card, but it's showing a $0 balance, or saying not found. Honestly, it usually just needs a few hours for the store register to actually process the activation delay. Give it a bit and try again. If your balance is just lower than you thought, check if you have a pending online order holding those funds, or maybe a recent return just hasn't posted back to the card yet. Oh, and a quick heads up, JCPenney absolutely does not guarantee balances on cards bought from third-party resale sites, so keep that in mind if you bought it secondhand.
If you're still totally stuck, you're not alone. Here are the exact numbers you need to get this sorted. You can actually check your balance over the phone using their 24/7 automated line at 1-800-294-8804. If you accidentally deleted that digital e-gift card email we talked about, you'll want to call CashStar support directly at 1-855-857-9331. And for any general physical card issues, like maybe you accidentally destroyed that scratch-off panel, just dial the main JCPenney customer service line at 1-800-322-1189.
Before we jump into some next-level tips, there is one incredibly vital rule you need to know about using your balance. If you are shopping on jcpenney.com, there is a hard limit of 2 gift card codes per online transaction. Yep, just 2. So if you've been holding on to a massive stack of gift cards and want to use 3 or more at once, you will actually have to head into a physical JCPenney store to check out. All right, Section 5, next-level tips, maximizing your gift card utility. Let's manage those cards like a pro. If you're juggling multiple cards, you absolutely have to check out the JCPenney mobile app. It's an incredible alternative to the website. It has this digital wallet feature where you can consolidate both your physical and digital cards right into one spot. It is fantastic because you can instantly view your balances from your smartphone while you're literally standing in the store aisle.
Sure, you could use a spreadsheet if you prefer tracking things manually, but with the app, when you're ready to check out, you just present the barcode on your screen and the cashier scans it. Super smooth.
And it gets even better when you pair this with JCPenney Rewards, also known as CashPass. When you redeem those gift cards, you are still earning CashPass points on qualifying purchases. Keep track of your purchases online, and once you hit $200 in eligible spending, you get a $10 reward. Plus, and this is a huge relief, your JCPenney gift card funds literally never expire, and they never get hit with sneaky dormancy fees. They are yours until you spend them.
Section 6. Summary and Disclaimers, helping you shop worry-free.
Let's do a quick recap so you can shop entirely friction-free. Step 1. Locate your 16 to 19-digit number and 4 to 8-digit PIN on the card or in your email. Step 2. Visit jcpenney.com/cart/gift card. Step 3. Enter your info into that secure portal. And Step 4. Shop with absolute confidence, knowing exactly what you've got to spend.
Just a couple of quick reminders before we wrap up. Please always verify these procedures directly with JCPenney, just in case their website layouts or policies change over time. And this is absolutely critical. You are responsible for safeguarding your personal and financial data. Treat your gift cards, digital or physical, exactly like you would treat cold, hard cash. If someone else gets your card number and PIN, they can spend your balance, so keep it safe.
All right, you are fully equipped. You know exactly where to find your numbers, how to navigate the secure portal, how to troubleshoot if you hit a snag, and how to manage everything right from your phone. Your balance is ready and waiting. So the only question left to ask is, what kind of amazing deals are you going to discover at JCPenney today? Thanks so much for joining this explainer, and happy shopping!